7, 8, jump, jump. 8, 9, 10.
What are you writing there, Jarvis?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. Nanny. Dada, doko dada? Dada. Jarvis is studying.
He's got lots of scribbles to organize.
He's studying even if he's got the hand, foot, and mouth disease. And he's in a lot of pain. But he still wants to study.
He's studying through the pain. That's right, Jarvis. Absolutely. I think you've got that figured.
Jarvis, are you going to draw a balloon? Doko balloon. Where's your balloons?
Balloon?
Balloon.
Can you draw a balloon for me? Balloon? Draw me a balloon, Jarvie. Balloon. Balloon.
Jarvis, is this your bear? Is this your bear? Is that your bear? Mm-hmm.
Don't draw on bear.
Don't draw on the bear, Jarvis.
Love the bear.
Yeah.
There you go. Draw on the paper. We gotta go.
Bear. Bear, bear, bear. You like to get under the covers now, don't you, Jarvis? You're so funny.
Bear?
Bear.
Bear, bear.
Mm-hmm. That's your bear. Don't write on the pillow, Jarvis. No, 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 no.
No, Jarvis.
Dame